What's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Link Daily. The WWDC 2014 keynote is over, and we got a lot of amazing news, and we're going to go over it right now in this recap. We have split it up into two videos, one based for the iOS system and one based for the OS X system. This is the one for iOS. If you wanted to watch the one for OS X, there will be a link down below in the description or an annotation in this video somewhere. But let's get started with everything that came out of iOS, because we got a lot of stuff to go over, including some development stuff as well. So here we go. We now have interactive notifications. Say you get a text message, you can actually click on that text message and without leaving the application you are in, respond to that text message while you are browsing around on your phone. Something that we've all wanted to see. It also works with third-party applications as well. Say somebody tags you in a photo, you can automatically like it from that interactive notification. It works both on the top bar and the lock screen as well. When you swipe it on the lock screen, you will get more options of what to do with that notification. Other things include quick access to people from the multitasking menu. You know, when you double click that home button to go switch between applications, it will also show you the most popular people that you have been communicating with, allowing you to easily send them text messages, call them, or whatever have you right from that menu, so you don't have to go to your contacts or your recent calls. Right there from that multitasking window, the most popular people you have been talking to will appear there. Safari has also gotten an integration as well from Yosemite, allowing for the translucency, the one search bar. It will get a major upgrade when it comes to iOS 8. New mail gestures are included as well, allowing you to control what you do with a mail item, such as deleting it or marking it as unread. There are more gestures based around that will allow you to control everything better. Spotlight now has suggestions as well, a more expanded suggestion list. Say you were searching for a movie, not only will it show you the search results, but it will also show you theaters around you playing that movie, or the ability to stream it from the iTunes store as well. So it is expanding what it searches in that criteria. We also have QuickType as well. This is a brand new technology from Apple, allowing it to predictively see what you're about to type. Say you're gonna write a quick message, it will do like what it does for autocorrect. It also does now with a little bar at the top, something like Android has done in the past with I think a Swift keyboard, allows you to see it predict what the next word you want to say is gonna be. Group messaging is now expanded with new features. Yes, you could do group messaging before, but it was a bit of a pain and a bit of annoyance if you got a lot of notifications. Well, now that this allows you to change up that with more settings as well, including named threads, adding and removing people from that thread, do not disturb for that thread as well. Say there's a lot of messages coming in, you can set a do not disturb just for that group message so that people won't annoy you, as well as you can now leave that conversation as well. We also have stuff from show your location as well. You can choose to show your location with friends and family, and you can set that for a certain amount of time. So let's say you want to share it for an hour, share it for a day, share it for however long you want. You can customize that. Say you're at the beach and you want to let you know, hey, I'm at the beach. You can have friends come and join you there. Other things include better enterprise tools as well. They basically touched on a lot of different things, but the big thing is that it will allow enterprises to control iPhones without having to take them out of their boxes to pre-configure them. It will come configured right out of the box, so the enterprises don't have to mess with that. Now here's the big one that we were actually predicting, but it's under a different name now. They're calling it Health Kit, allowing third-party applications and heart rate monitors and wristband monitors and all that different stuff to integrate with Health Kit to create a bigger profile of your health. This can include in calories, to your heart rate, to your steps per day, to who knows what else it can integrate into, but it does have that expanded integration as well. And if you have a doctor maybe who is integrating with the iOS service, can actually alert them if some type of emergency, say your cholesterol is too high or it's too low or something like that. It can actually alert your doctor, telling them more information, maybe to do a checkup with you or to check up on you as well. So that is Health kit. We also have the ability to share purchases as well. Say you've got a family of up to 6 people who want to share applications. You now can do that. As long as each application is sharing the same credit card, you can share the same purchases as well, which is very nice. So you'll be able to, say you buy an application on your mom's phone. You'll also be able to use it on your phone as well, as long as it uses the same credit card, which is nice. They're also integrating child features as well. Say a child has his iPhone and he wants to buy an application. Maybe it costs 99 cents. Well, of course, Apple is trying to combat all of that with allowing you to accept or decline the purchases. So when your child goes in to buy something within an application or from the App Store, it will come up with a notification on the parent's phone saying, hey, your child is trying to buy X and X app. Do you want them to buy it? Yes or no? So you can accept and decline, and will allow them to purchase the application without having you to really be there. It's just a notification so you can quickly accept or deny, which is a great feature for people who have been very concerned about their child paying too much for applications. We also have smart photo sharing as well. The new photo application allows you to edit photos, but it has a more slider tools to it. So it allows you to slide tools back and forth, see in real time how your photos are being edited, so you can edit it just how you want it. That is more of a iMovie type integration there with those sliders. We also have photo storage as well. They're changing that up a little bit, allowing 5 GB free of photo storage, but then from there you can get expanded storage, which is actually pretty cheap. For 20 GB of expanded storage, it's 99 cents per month, and there's tiers going all the way up to 1 terabyte. We also have the new features within Siri as well. Siri is actually getting a feature called Hey Siri, so you don't have to pick up your phone and turn on Siri. Just say, hey Siri, find something, and she will do it. Something like Google has done with the, Hey Google or something like that. Go Google? Forgot what it is, but you get the picture, right? Good. It's also integrating with Shazam as well now, so it will find songs and do music recognition for songs to allow you to purchase it as well. China is getting a lot of improvements as well in their localities. The App Store is expanding. They're making a huge impact right now on the App Store, including an exploration tab allowing you to explore new applications, a trending searches to see what people are searching for on the App Store at any given moment, related searches as well, so you can see, oh, somebody searched for this app, you can also see what else they were searching for as well. App bundles. That's right, app bundles. Now developers can create app bundles, maybe to offer a reduced price if you buy all of their applications, some of their applications, allowing you maybe to get them a little bit cheaper. It gives you access to multiple applications. We also have app previews as well. Now apps will allow you to take an application and actually view a video on that application, so you can verify that it does it exactly how you want it. We also have Test Flight as well. Test Flight is a beta feature from Apple allowing you to beta test your applications and send them out to developers. So you're not using some third-party applications to allow people to beta test your applications. Now, here we get into their software development kit. Their software development kit is everything and anything that has to do with developing on these platforms, and they've had some big changes here, including extensibility, allowing applications to create plugins for other applications so that they can work together. It uses the security of iOS 8 to protect your data while still allowing for those applications to work and run on the system, including actions and widgets, and allows you to set documents. It has a huge range of features. One of the big ones right now that were developing on and talking about was keyboards. You can now install system-wide keyboards, allowing for customizations so you can have a better trial of keyboards. Say you have a custom layout, or say you have custom icons, you can install these third-party keyboards to work system-wide, which is something that's pretty fantastic. Touch ID is getting API integration as well, allowing more applications to log you in under the Touch ID platform. And what's unique about this is that when you use Touch ID, it's not sending any of the Touch ID data to that application. What it is actually doing with that application is it's just unlocking a keychain with the password. so there's no data from Touch ID going to the application. We also have a camera API, a home API as well. They're creating an API called HomeKit that allows you to integrate all of your home automation data, such as maybe a remotely operated lights or what have you. You can now use that and integrate with them with this new software development kit. They're also getting Metal as well. Metal is their 3D graphics rendering engine. It's a brand new one that they're bringing to the market that provides 10 times more power to applications. We also have Sprite Kit and Scene Kit as well, as for those a little bit lower level applications still wanting to bring in a very powerful application, but now they have a nice way to do it. Xcode is no more. They are now moving to a completely different type of development structure called Swift. Swift is Objective-C without the C, is how they describe it as, and allows them to more powerfully code in real time, and create better structures within their code. So developers out there, Swift is going to be a huge improvement for you. It's faster, more powerful, real time, and you can use a lot shorter code to code things because there's a lot of integration already within Apple's software. So that is iOS 8 and its software development kit. It will be available in beta starting today and will work through all the way into fall when it is released. They're not going to do a public beta program for this, but they are doing a public beta program for OS 10. There you guys go, iOS 8 in a full recap for you. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, we'll see you guys in our next video.